We are now inside condominium C2 in Bahia Encantada. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condo on the second floor. Sold with everything you see. This is a totally remodeled condo. Arguably one of the best remodels on the beach. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, no expense was spared. This is your own little private bar area here. Let's go into the master bedroom. With your balcony entrance. Sliding glass doors here. Into the master bath. Walk-in closet area here. Here's the second bathroom. Marble countertops. Second bedroom. Note there's also a balcony here. This is the Jack and Jill bathroom for the second and third bedrooms. Third bedroom here, and again another balcony. These units rent out very well, especially one that's as good looking as this. And we have property managers that are available and would love to manage this unit as needed. Brand new central air units are there. Actually, they're about a year old, but that's a big plus there. Okay, thank you.